Now I will show you how to getting started with Pauner card printer. This is just opened from packing carton. Open the cover, then put to place the cleaning roller. The cleaning roller here, and then remove the cover tape. Here is the place, and then color ribbon, orange to orange and blue to blue. Carefully the correct place. Then IC zip here and close the door. This is for ready cards. Then to input hopper, put cards and do not touch card surface. Keep to both sides and put carefully cards to input hopper. Then wait on cards and close the door. Then you can connect power cable and USB cable. But please remember, do not connect USB cable yet to your computer. At first, you need install driver from USB stick. And when driver installation says that you can connect USB cable, then you can connect the cable and put power on. And then install also card printing software. And then you are ready to start using the Pauner card printer.